to 26.
Dude, it likes the lows, definitely, like mid to high 20s. Yeah, it still played down to like 21.
Yeah.
That was good. Awesome, man.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
So I got two Def Bonds 15s running off of 4900.
Yeah, you're good. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So what's your name, man, and what's in here?
All right, so my name is Preston. I got two Def Bonds 15s running off 4900. It clamps at 2,435 meters, 144 at 32 hertz.
All right.
The box is tuned to 26, and I'm running two excess powered batteries right now off of a 250 amp JS Alt.
Awesome. So it's tuned low.
Yeah, it's tuned low. It's tuned low.
And I see you added a little bit here. Does that help?
It literally helped 0.3. That was it. That was it. I took it out for my comp, and I got in the super low class. The cutoff was 2,500 watts. That was right there.
Right there. Awesome.
Yeah. At the time of doing my comp, I was first place. So hopefully it still holds true.
Yeah. All right. On everybody, this is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Preston system. He was at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show for this system. Got a really good 3.5 minute demo of these subs playing really low frequency. Actually was a 21 to 51 hertz song. And these subs, I was looking at the specs of them online. Looks like they were rated at 2,000 watts RMS, the 300 series DB series subs. So nice amplifier rack as well. I don't know if he has back seats, but he is able to actually have his amplifier staged. And that is the smaller amp is the subwoofer amp. I thought the bigger one at first was, but that's a 5,000 watt RMS amp. And then it's a 4-channel Apocalypse that you could hear the mids and highs with. So really efficient box. If you notice the way he has his port on the left, right behind the driver's seat. So subs up, port up. For hatchbacks, if you don't have enough room in the back, port up and sub up is usually optimal for most systems. These subs are rated at 2,000 watts RMS, as I mentioned. Always check out the links in the description if you want to know more details about this system. We're getting to the demo now. Two 15-inch subs on 5,000 watts total. I'm pretty sure the amplifier is at 1 ohm, so giving them all the juice. Hit that subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
All right, let's see what we got. Let's do 7 rings is good. It's a little bit all arranged.
Sit back and relax, relax. We're about to get rustified. Yeah. Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. All with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Throw some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? ratchet, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? But I know
short, but
oh, we're good. It's raining. Yeah. Awesome, man.
What do you think?
Good job,
Thank
dude.
you,
It
man.
likes the lows, definitely, like
Yeah.
mid to high 20s. Yeah.
Yeah.
It still played down to like 21.
Yeah.
That was good. Awesome, man.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
You're
A lot of
welcome.
hard work,
Thanks for
man.
watching.
A lot
You
of
did a
hard
good
work.
job, man.
Thank you, dude.
And what was your name?
Preston John.
Preston John. Awesome,
Yes, sir.
man.
Nice meeting you.
You too, man.